Hi guys, morning. Thanks for joining me for part 2 of my blog on my Harvey water filtration system. So just had the system installed yesterday and not seen a difference yet, but my wife says there is a difference in terms of her bath this morning. I took a bath as well, but I haven't felt or seen a difference. But I'm waiting. So we're cleaning down the kitchens and the bathrooms again just to see if we can remove the lime scale that had built up during the period we had hard water. So now we have just soft water. Let's see what the difference is. The guys came yesterday on time, very professional. He decided to put the system in the utility room and it would have taken up all the space, but he rearranged the pipes so that the system fits to one corner of the cupboard in the utility room, so we still have a bit of storage space and it fits in quite neatly in that area. I think it's out of the way, and he explained how the system works, the regeneration and all of that. It doesn't need to be plugged into anything, so that's really good. And then we also had the filtration system fitted. You can see it over my shoulder there. It's the two faucets. The smaller one is now the filtration system that is on, and I'm guessing I'll insert pictures of that later on. Yeah, so we have the system in. And one of the main reasons we had it done, even though it was quite expensive, we could have bought a car for that, is because my son has eczema and it's really bad at nights. In particular, he scratches himself a lot. So we're hoping that the change in the water from hard to soft will have some effect on his eczema in terms of easing it. And that's why we shelled out a large amount of cash that we did for this one. But thanks to the guy at Harvey's water softener, really professional job. Dave came by as well. That's the sales rep during the installation. One of the plumber, I think Rashad was his name, excellent guy, seemed to know his stuff. While he was there, I think he got a spot check from his supervisor, who just came to make sure that everything was going okay. I think his name was James. So the work was very thorough. They were very neat. They cleaned up after themselves. Really great professional team. So thanks to the guys at Harvey's. And again, I'll put a link to their website in the description for those who are interested in using their services. Again, just mention that you probably saw it on my vlog and you were interested in. They will come out and do just a demonstration for free to see if the system is something that you might be interested in. I'm sure you will be, especially if you live in Kent, where apparently we have some of the worst in terms of hard water in the UK. So have a look at their website, see all the benefits, see if it will help you out. We're supposed to be using less soap in the laundry machine. I think my wife did the laundry this morning, and we normally use 2 pods of the soap thing. We tried one this morning to see if we can see a major difference in terms of usage and the cleanliness of the clothes coming out of the laundry. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll try to do a part 3 to let you know what the updates are in terms of the bathrooms, how if they're looking any different, etc. So thanks again for watching, and subscribe, share your comments, and like. And if there's anything in particular you want me to do a vlog on, you can leave that in the comment section as well. I appreciate the feedback. Thanks. Have a good one, guys.